Yo guys, what's up? It's Studio here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get reaction rolls with the bot Yagpdb right now, so let's get right in. So before I even get into the video, I want you guys to remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Shameless plug here. I just really want to help you guys out with your Discord journey, help you guys make the best Discord server for you. And your friends to enjoy. And the best way for me to help you is for you to subscribe so you're updated whenever I upload, so you can just learn, do the best Discord server you can. And I think that my videos really help you out. So if you do subscribe, you'll be notified. So yeah, anyway, let's get right into the video. Sorry for the plug, but just had to like remind you guys. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do, obviously, is search up Yagpdb and go to the website. And if you aren't already signed in, remember to sign in, but once you are, go to the control panel. I, for real, forgot to tell you guys to actually add the bot. So remember, add the bot, bro. Add the bot to your Discord server, and yeah. Now once you are signed in and you have the bot, you're going to go ahead to select server. You're going to go ahead to the server that you want to add the bot to, or use the commands. And you're going to go to tools and utilities and role commands right here. And right here you can see create new group or create new role command. And this, the first thing you're going to do is create new group. So say I want gender roles. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to name, and you're going to name it what is your gender. And this is going to be the message that it asks, or the, I don't know if you've seen it, but it has a little icon and it says what is your gender, what is your favorite color, you know, whatever. And once you have that, this is what it's going to be saying. And so you'll put the question, what is your gender? And you're going to put it as single, so you can only choose one. And once you have that, you can remove existing role when assigning another role. So that's what I like to do. So you can't choose male and female. You can only choose male or female or other, you know. And require one rule at all times after initial signup. So once they click something, they have to always have one. And now you're going to create a new group. And once you're in the group, it'll automatically send you there. You're going to create the new role. So the role that you need will be male, female, and other. So you're going to go ahead and go to your Discord server. And you're going to go to server settings and roles. And you're going to add male. I'll make whatever color you want. I'm just going to stick with that one. Female. And other, or whatever role or whatever genders you want to stick with. It really doesn't matter. You can have as many as you want or as little as you want. And once you have these, you have to also remember to give Yagpdb the bots, or give it administrator, so it can do all the things that it needs to do, you know, with the roles and things. And of course, once you have your roles, you're going to go over here again, and you're going to go ahead and put male or female, whichever one you want to put first, or other, whatever. This is the one that's going to be first, and you're going to put the role. You're going to put male, and it's going to get to choose which role it is. So you'll have male, female, and other pop up. I just need to reload that. And it'll automatically show if you're going to name it the same thing as the actual role. You're going to put it in that role thing. I'm going to go back to what is your gender really quick and put male, and it'll automatically do that. And you can just go ahead and create new role command and female, and create new role command and other, create new role command. Now, depending on which one you want to have first, it'll automatically go from bottom to top, whichever the order you put them in. So I'm gonna have male on the top, and then female, and then other at the bottom, which is just the thing that I always do. It fits the best. I think it looks the nicest. And now once you have your role command set up, or your group, and you have everything in the correct order, you're going to go ahead and go to Discord. And once you are in Discord, if you don't have this already, you're going to make a self-roles channel. And with my new fancy self-roles channel, I'm going to go ahead and use this command. Keep in mind this is very important. I will say it more than once. You are going to type in dash role menu, no space with role and menu, space create, space, and then what you named your group. That is dash role menu, no space between role and menu, space create, space the group name. And you're going to go ahead and click enter, and it will start to create these, and you're going to use the emojis that you want to use for the self-role. And you guys know how reaction roles work. You just react to whatever you want, and it gives you the role. So for male, I'm going to react to male with this male sign emoji, female with the female sign emoji, and other with just the question mark. You can have whatever you want, and once it's done, you can delete all of these messages. So delete this one, and delete the previous one that you used for the command. And there you have it. Just to show that it works, I'm going to click male, and up at the top right, as I click on my username, I have the reaction role male. And if you don't believe me, this is no cut, no cut, no cut. I'm going to click female, and now I have the female. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like and comment what your favorite part of the video was, if you're going to be using this bot in the future, and if not, which one you are going to be using. I do upload these once every day, these types of videos, so if you did like the type of content that I have given you, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you are updated whenever I upload, which is normally 1 p.m. EST. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time I upload, which will be tomorrow, Friday. Friday upload, let's go boys.